Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use one of these. It's a needle threader and it also helps to insert your needle into the sewing machine. So not every single sewing machine comes with a needle threader, so if you don't have the luxury of that, then you have got this. Just to let you guys know that I have not been sponsored to make this video, I just think it's a pretty awesome tool. So this bottom part here is for inserting your needles in, and this part here is for putting the thread through your needle. So let me show you how it's done. So if you look here, there's an arrow, and that arrow is to show you which way round to thread the thread. So we're going to have this facing up. I'm going to insert the thread in between this two sections here. Insert the thread in there, and here you go. You can see that the thread's inserted. You can see that the arrow here is at the top. What you do now is slowly go down the needle, and then you push it through when you reach the eye, and you slowly pull it out. Now if you notice on the end here there's a hook. Now this hook is designed for you to grab your thread and then you pull the thread all the way through, like so. There's a part 2 to this little notion as well. This needle threader also comes with a needle inserter. Let me show you how this works. We have our needle and we have our tool, and we are going to put our needle inside of the needle threader tool, and then this allows us to hold the needle steady while we insert it into its home. So you don't have to worry about it dropping down. It's held into this tool, and then we can just release the needle like so. This is a really cool sewing notion. I also like to use it for my serger. It makes inserting needles really easy. So it comes with a needle threader as well as a needle inserter. Pretty cool. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.